Hi, my name is Darren Merlub. I'm the owner of LeakTronics, and we're here today to introduce you to our online leak detection training course for plumbers. From taking the phone call to getting paid, we're going to show you how to extract the information you need from the client, how to use your plumber's kit to walk the property and find what's leaking and what isn't. We're going to show you how to back up your findings and how to deliver those findings to the customer with explicit details on what's leaking and the best advice on getting it repaired. And above all, we're going to show you how to perform a perfect leak detection and get paid. You can learn all about our leak detection training courses and our equipment by visiting LeakTronics.com. We'll see you there.